In this video, we're going to show you how you can make money online through affiliate marketing, which is a popular and lucrative way to earn passive income from the comfort of your own home. We'll start by defining what affiliate marketing is and explaining how it works, and then we'll dive into the many benefits of affiliate marketing. Finally, we'll walk you through the steps involved in setting up an affiliate marketing program so you can start earning money right away. So whether you're looking to supplement your income or earn a full-time income online, this video is for you. Let's get started. Affiliate marketing is a type of online marketing where you earn a commission by promoting other people's or companies' products or services. In other words, you get paid a percentage of the sale when someone buys a product or service through your unique affiliate link. There are many affiliate marketing programs out there, including Amazon Associates, ClickBank, ShareASale, and many more. These programs allow you to sign up and start promoting products or services right away. Here's how it works. Let's say you sign up for an affiliate marketing program and choose a product or service to promote. You then create content that includes your unique affiliate link, which directs people to the product or service you're promoting. When someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. The commission rate varies depending on the program and the product, but it typically ranges from 5% to 50% of the sale. The basic concept of affiliate marketing is simple. You promote someone else's product or service, and you earn a commission for each sale or lead generated. The more you promote the product or service, the more potential sales and commissions you can earn. Affiliate marketing can be a win-win situation for both the affiliate marketer and the merchant, as it allows the merchant to reach a wider audience and the affiliate marketer to earn a commission for promoting quality products or services. Affiliate marketing is a smart and profitable way to make money online for many reasons. Here are some of the top benefits of affiliate marketing. Low startup costs. Unlike other business ventures, affiliate marketing has very low startup costs. You don't need to create a product or service, build a website, or invest in inventory or shipping. All you need is an internet connection and a platform to promote products or services. Flexible schedule. Affiliate marketing allows you to work from anywhere in the world and on your own schedule. You can work as much or as little as you want, and you have the freedom to choose which products or services to promote. No inventory or shipping. As an affiliate marketer, you don't need to worry about managing inventory or shipping products. The merchant takes care of all of that, leaving you free to focus on promoting the product or service. Passive income potential. Once you've set up your affiliate marketing program, it can continue to generate passive income for you over time. As long as people continue to purchase products or services through your affiliate link, you'll continue to earn a commission. Win-win situation. Affiliate marketing is a win-win situation for both the affiliate marketer and the merchant. It allows the merchant to reach a wider audience and potentially increase sales, while the affiliate marketer can earn a commission for promoting quality products or services. Overall, affiliate marketing is a great way to earn money online with minimal effort and investment. With the many benefits of affiliate marketing, it's no wonder why it has become such a popular way to make money online. If you're interested in making money through affiliate marketing, there are several steps you need to take to set up your program. Here's a brief overview of the process. Choose your niche or market. The first step is to choose a niche or market that you're interested in and that has potential for affiliate marketing. Look for markets that have a large audience, a need for a product or service, and a high demand for solutions. Select a product or service to promote. Once you've chosen your niche, select a product or service that you want to promote. Look for products or services that are high quality, in demand, and offer a good commission rate. Join an affiliate program. The next step is to join an affiliate program. Look for affiliate programs that are reputable, offer a good commission rate, and provide helpful resources and tools for affiliates. Examples of affiliate programs include Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or ShareASale. Create a website or blog. To promote the product or service, you'll need to create a website or blog. Choose a domain name and hosting service, and then create your website using a platform like WordPress. Your website should be well-designed, easy to navigate, and include compelling content. Write compelling content. To attract visitors to your website and encourage them to click on your affiliate links or banners, you'll need to write compelling content. Your content should be informative, engaging, and persuasive, and should include keywords related to your niche or market. Promote your product or service. Finally, you'll need to promote your product or service through social media, email marketing, or paid advertising. Use social media platforms like Facebook or Twitter to share your content and engage with your audience. Use email marketing to build relationships with your subscribers and promote your product or service. And use paid advertising platforms like Google AdWords or Facebook ads to reach a wider audience and increase conversions. By following these steps, you can set up a successful affiliate marketing program and start earning money online. Remember to choose your niche carefully, select high-quality products or services, and create compelling content that engages and persuades your audience. Good luck! In this video, we discussed how to make money online with affiliate marketing. We defined affiliate marketing, explained how it works, and provided examples of popular affiliate marketing programs. We then described the benefits of affiliate marketing, including low startup costs, flexibility, and passive income potential. We also discussed the steps involved in setting up an affiliate marketing program, from choosing a niche to promoting the product or service through different channels. Thank you for watching, and please share your thoughts and questions in the comments section below.